This is Paul of the family pitch at Pistyll Rhaeadr, 5th of August 2013. I'm just taking a walk down the path now to the waterfall. Hope you can hear me alright folks, because it's quite a loud waterfall this now. We've had lots of rain over the last 24 hours and as a consequence the waterfall's in full flow. I just hope this little video that I'm taking folks does it justice for you. Absolutely stunning, beautiful place, breathtaking. This is the lower part. The river, absolutely raging today. Couldn't have picked a better time to come. Going to be approaching the bridge now. I'm going to get up on the bridge and I'll show you the full effect of the waterfall. As I said folks, I just hope the little video that I'm taking here does it justice. Stunning. Just coming up the bridge now. A few slippy steps to take first. Up the bridge. Absolutely raging today. I hope you can hear me over this folks. Just going to pan up now and give you the full effect of the waterfall. There's the lower level now. Up to the top level. Getting absolutely drenched off the spray here. Absolutely stunning. For those who have never been to Pistyll Rhaeadr, I hope you can understand now why I come so often. Natural, beautiful place, very spiritual, re-energises the spirit, sets me up for the work ahead. Look over there folks as well, this is the other side of the bridge, there's the lodge there. There's a lovely balcony there with 2 rocking chairs on, and the view you get sitting there with a cup of coffee in the morning is this. Simply stunning. Makes a change from the usual chemtrail, geoengineering videos and protests that I do. All of the family pitch signing off. Catch us all soon folks.